Thunderstorm risks. A thunderstorm is a weather phenomenon characterized by thunder and lightning, often accompanied by strong winds, heavy rain, and sometimes hail or tornadoes. Thunderstorms can occur at any time of the year, but they are most common during the summer months when warm, moist air rises and collides with cooler air in the atmosphere. The process of a thunderstorm's formation starts with the sun's energy heating the Earth's surface. The heat warms the air near the ground, causing it to rise. As the warm air rises, it cools and begins to condense into clouds. The water droplets in the clouds combine and grow until they become heavy enough to fall as rain. When the rain falls through the cool air, it creates a downdraft that carries the precipitation to the ground. This downdraft can create gusty winds, which can cause damage to trees, power lines, and buildings. As the thunderstorm develops, the rising air within the cloud separates positive and negative charges, resulting in the buildup of an electrical charge. When the difference in electrical charge becomes large enough, it creates a discharge of electricity, which we see as lightning. Lightning can travel through the air at speeds of up to 220,000 miles per hour, and can heat the surrounding air to temperatures of up to 30,000 degrees Celsius, making it hotter than the surface of the sun. This intense heat causes the air to expand rapidly, creating a shock wave that we hear as thunder. Thunderstorms can be dangerous, and it's important to be aware of the risks associated with them. Lightning strikes can cause fires and severe injuries or death to people and animals. In addition, strong winds, heavy rain, and hail can cause property damage, flooding, and even landslides. Tornadoes can also form during severe thunderstorms, which can cause significant destruction and loss of life. It's essential to take precautions during thunderstorms to stay safe. If you're outdoors, seek shelter in a sturdy building or car with a metal roof. Stay away from trees, power lines, and bodies of water, which are all conductors of electricity. If you're indoors, stay away from windows and avoid using electronics that are connected to power outlets or telephone lines. If you're driving, pull over and wait for the storm to pass. Despite the potential dangers, thunderstorms can also be awe-inspiring and beautiful displays of nature's power. The bright flashes of lightning illuminating the dark sky, followed by the deep rumble of thunder, can be a thrilling experience. Some people even enjoy watching thunderstorms from a safe distance, either in person or through photographs and videos. In conclusion, thunderstorms are a fascinating and powerful natural phenomenon that can inspire awe and fear. They are an essential part of our planet's weather system, providing much-needed precipitation to sustain life. However, they can also be dangerous, and it's important to take precautions to stay safe during a storm. By understanding the science behind thunderstorms, and respecting their power, we can appreciate their beauty while minimizing the risks.